Hi, I'm Laura, and today I'm going to take you on a property tour of a family cottage that's located up in Midway in the Saddle Creek subdivision. It's a beautiful area with great mountain views. So come on with me, let's go take a look. This family cottage is in the Midway Saddle Creek subdivision, as I previously mentioned. It features all of the amenities that a buyer will want to have, including a main level master, an office, an accessory dwelling apartment. It has a sauna, a cold plunge, and vaulted ceilings, just to name a few. You can expect to pay $3.6 million plus with 5,600 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 5 full bathrooms with a half bathroom and a 3-car garage bay. Meanwhile, I hope you sit back and enjoy this tour. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I just want to thank you for supporting my channel so that I can continue to produce more videos like this. Also, I've included some free resources for you in the description, so make sure you go and check that out. Meanwhile, I'll see you on the next video.